All right, so we previously had a video on this channel about how to group rows and use the plus and minus controls that pop up to hide the data that you don't want. I had a viewer comment on this video and he asked me how to find the data once it's hidden. I didn't realize you couldn't find it, but we're going to go through a way that you can find it and how you do it a little bit differently than you may have just been doing Control F and typing in the word before. We're going to hide this row. We're going to look first though and see that it contains an item that has a 10705 in it. All right, so we're going to hide that, and we're going to come through and hide this column as well, just to show you that this works in a couple different scenarios. We'll right click, left click on hide column. So the typical way that we would search for a string would be to use Control F, or at least it's the way I would do it. And the one that was lost, you type it in, it says 0, 0. All right, so it can't find that. And the other string, the 10705, we type that in, it can't find that either. But there is a simple workaround here. You go to Edit and you do Find and Replace, or just use the Control H shortcut. If you do the same thing here, so we'll look for lost and we'll left click on Find, it will give you a message, no more results found, but it looped back around, okay? And it found something in a hidden cell. All right, so it doesn't bring you to it, it brings you close. Let me move the active cell again over here. We'll hit find. So it brings you adjacent to it, but it doesn't make the active cell the hidden one because you wouldn't be able to see that. So we'll also do it for this other piece of data that's just hidden by the grouping function, not by using hide. And it does the same thing. It brings you as close to it as it can, and it gives you a message down here and tells you where it is. If you like that little quick tip. So next, let's take a look at the unique function. In my opinion, it's one of the most underrated, underused functions in Google Sheets. If someone were to keep a list on those things, which probably no one does, I think it'd be on there. Thanks for coming by to watch this video, and I hope to see you in that next one.